welcome to my channel. Here we are going to work on the making of isometric view of this object freehand sketch. Okay, so these views are given in first angle projection. This is the front elevation and this is the end elevation, and we have the lowest point here. As I said in other video, that when you are given orthographic views and you're asked to sketch, whether you're asked to sketch or you're asked to make use of instruments to produce the isometric view of the object, take note of the main part of the object. So for this object now, so this is the main part. This end elevation is the main part. So first of all, sketch this shape, okay? Then we go on and add other part to it and make or sketch it isometric view. So let's go and see how this can be done. So do not forget, we have the lowest point here. All right, so the first thing that we are going to do is to make a short horizontal line. As I said, that we are not to tape our paper, so in freehand sketching, so make a sketch of a short horizontal line in this direction. Okay, so this point now, so I just put a dot here. So this is the lowest point A now, so I will write A at this point. Always indicate the lowest point. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to sketch a line in this direction, so at an angle of 30 degrees. So though we are not making use of a protractor or a set square to get that angle, so and then so always take note of the length of the object as given in the drawing. So we take note of that and we sketch a line always equal to that or almost equal to that line or a bit more than it. Okay, so then this point I will sketch a short vertical line like this, and I'll come to this point here. So looking at this distance, so I will also sketch a short vertical line here like this, and then so I'm going to draw a line so in this direction. So I'll draw a line in this direction. First of all, close them together. Like this. All right, so I have this line. Okay, so then I'm going to in the middle of this, so in the middle of this, maybe somewhere around here. Okay, and then so we also have a point here like this. Okay, so I'm going to draw make a sketch of a vertical line, so here like this. Okay, so this is freehand sketching, and then so make a sketch of a vertical line like this. Okay, so let me stop it there. Then I will connect this together, so connect this together like this. Okay, so you can see how I have done it. So now, so we have produced the main shape that I talked about. So now the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a line in this direction from this point, 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 and also from this point. Okay, so we are going to draw make a sketch of a line like that. So I will make a sketch of a line, so from that point in this direction. So I believe you can see it. So it goes like this, and also I will make a sketch of a line in this direction. Okay, so if you look at the front elevation, so we have a rectangle in the front elevation. Then we have a part. So this part is standing in the middle of the whole shape. So and then from this point I make a sketch of a line in this direction like this. Okay, so coming to this point also, I make a sketch of a line in this direction like this, and then this point also I make a sketch of a line in this direction. Then this point, so I will sketch a short line. So this short line will touch this one, so we stop it there like that. Okay, so do not forget that the lines so should be parallel to each other, so as we have here. So so then make sure you are considering the given dimensions. Okay, then I'm going to terminate this one by making a sketch of a vertical line so that parallel to this. Okay, so the line goes like this. So we have this line. Okay, so then I'm going to join. So I'm going to join this point. So join this point with this. Okay, so then if we let me bring the orthographic views of the object. So if you look at this thing that we have here, what we have here, so this is how we see it in the front elevation. You see that, so there is a little space. There's a little space, so it didn't reach the end here. So there's a little space between the end of this object, which is this part, and the end of this rectangle as we have here. So what we are going to do now is that, so I'm going to terminate this one. I'm going to terminate it somewhere around here by making a vertical line. So by making a vertical line, so we sketch the vertical line like this. So we make sure that it is parallel to this one. Okay, so then I will take it from here to this side like this. All right, so we have not completed it. So because we have a part that is slanting, so let me erase this excess line. All right, so then, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we have a slant part here. So first of all, I will make a line that will be parallel to this line. So make a line here, and then so I'll come somewhere around here. So make a line like this. Okay, so I believe you can see it. Then I'm going to connect, so these 2 points together like this, and then I will connect these 2 points together. Okay, so we have it here like this. So I'm going to erase the one that we do not need, so the lines that we do not need, so I'm going to erase them. So I will pause the video and do that. All right, so here is the objects as we have made a sketch of it, as simple as I've done it. So all you have to do, follow my instruction and do it like that. And thank you. God bless you.